Hello and welcome back to Now Go See It. I'm Tony. Today we're talking about artificial intelligence in travel. You can visit our website, nowgoseeit.com, for travel guides, inspiration, and so much more. We recently took a trip to Scotland that was completely powered by ChatGPT. We let ChatGPT decide everything about the trip. We even let ChatGPT decide where our vacation was going to be. You can check out that video right here. Part of the process, I let ChatGPT decide what I should bring along. I asked it for a packing list and packed accordingly. Here's what happened. I asked ChatGPT to prepare a packing list for me for the trip. Specifically, what I typed into ChatGPT is using a minimalist packing style fitting only into a European-sized carry-on, 55 centimeter by 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Make me, an unfussy man, a packing list for this trip. I wanted to make sure that I can just travel with a carry-on. It is my preferred way to travel. So this is what ChatGPT has advised me to take for my 5 days in Edinburgh, Scotland. Here we are. So clothing, we have 4 lightweight long sleeve shirts because they are easy to layer. Check. We have 2 sweaters or fleece pullovers for warmth and 1 packable rain jacket or waterproof coat. Continuing on to the bottoms, we have 2 pair of versatile trousers. We have some shoes, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, weather resistant. It also recommends I bring a pair of casual shoes or loafers for dinners. Next up, it has underwear. It suggests bringing 4 pairs of moisture-wicking underwear. Which is a little bit shocking because it is a 5-day trip, so 4 pair of underwear for a 5-day trip. Seems like we are at least 1 pair of underwear short. I'm going to do exactly what ChatGPT says most of the time, but underpants is one of those situations where I'm going to say, ChatGPT, we are not on the same page. It also suggests 4 pair of socks. Same thing, I'm going to pack 2 more of those. Sorry, ChatGPT, that's just how it goes. In the sleepwear department, it suggests bringing 2 sets of lightweight pajamas. Moving on to accessories, it says I should bring 1 scarf, a hat, and a pair of gloves for the cold weather. Apparently, it knows that it's sending me to a cold weather place, 1 compact umbrella, and of course, a belt. Moving on to toiletries, it suggests bringing a toothbrush, toothpaste and floss, deodorant, comb or travel brush, travel shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, sunscreen, which is weird because, again, we are traveling to northern United Kingdom in the winter, but here we are, and some lip balm. Any necessary medications, I've got this cute little thing here that I carry around that has any necessary pills in, as well as a small first aid kit. They suggest band-aids, pain relievers. Moving on to electronics, it suggests, very important, a universal power adapter for the United Kingdom. That's right there, make sure that my electronics work. A smartphone and charger. Smartphone is in my hand right here. I'm listening to the ChatGPT folks. Charger, I've got my whole charging case here with all my cords, noise canceling headphones, a small travel camera. This is where I deviate a little bit. I've got my big old DSLR. This is, I do need some nice photographs for the blog, and an e-reader or compact book. If I do any reading, which I sometimes do on the plane, I will do it on my phone on the Kindle app. Travel essentials is the next category. Passport and any required documentation. You got that right there. Credit or debit cards, of course, I've got those in my wallet. Local currency for emergencies. It suggests to bring 100 to 150 pounds. I didn't plan this trip far enough in advance to get a little bit of local currency out from my local bank. So we are going to hope nothing bad happens. A reusable water bottle, which is not something that I normally carry around. I just find it bulky. I know it's good for the environment to have a reusable water bottle, but carrying it around all day is just something that I don't like to do. So I'm skipping that one. A packable day bag or backpack for daily use. I like to use my camera sling for that. And then under the miscellaneous category, since I was just talking about saving the environment, I do have my reusable shopping bag, which hopefully makes up a little bit for my lack of reusable water bottle. A small notebook and pen. I'll make notes in my phone, but I do travel with a pen. A laundry bag for dirty clothes. I don't really need that as well. I usually just toss them back in the old suitcase when they're dirty. And snacks for travel days. That's something I'll grab at the airport or just rely on our friends on the aircraft. Yeah, so that is all of it. So hopefully it will all fit into the suitcase. We're gonna see how we do. They include some packing strategies. You use packing cubes to organize clothing and maximize space. Nice. Wear your bulkiest items, for example, your coat and shoes during the flight. It suggests rolling the clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles. I'll give that a try. And it also suggests keeping your essentials like a passport, money, electronics in your carry-on's accessible compartment. Yeah, that's good advice. Concludes that this list ensures comfort and preparedness while traveling light, making your 4-day trip to Edinburgh stress-free. Apparently it's a 4-day trip now. That's a mistake that it made. See, well, that explains the 4 pair of underwear. That is packing up. Let's see how we do. Doing just like a mental review of what I normally bring on trips, I think ChatGPT actually did a pretty good job